Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So yesterday I found some baby mice and the mother was being eaten, same as the father, by our chickens. So I found these little guys and decided to keep them. Now today I'm just feeding them. There's three. A person here that helps me named Daria is holding another one. And there's another one in here that I will feed. Come here. I know.
Oh my goodness, you're so lovely. Oh, you're so lovely. Mozzie's bigger than you.
There we go. Drink it.
No.
You think that's enough for you? Let's put you back. Last one. This one.
Peter, is that you?
This one's Chip.
Yeah, Peter's in the veggie patch.
So this one's Chip. The one in there is called Snuggle. The one that Daria is holding is called Curious. Chip, I know.
That one made a little noise.
No. Go drink up. I'm also screwed.